What's good, people? It's your boy Timothy Love. So right now I'm in a certain building. I guess it's 25 Broad Oaks by Keel and Finch, and this is it right here. Very old, classic type of building, built in the 70s maybe. As you can see, the style, authentic. Nice, eh? So today we're just doing in-suites, emergency lights, and sprinkler, which should be fun. It's gonna be a lot of exercise. Yeah, I don't know where the hell that super went though. Anyway, I'll call you back. No, I'll talk to you guys when I get a hold of that super. That's the pan right there, Mircom. It's good, people. It's your boy. Get back again. Okay, changing smoke alarms. This one right here. Nice. Okay, I just gotta go to 702. Hello, how are you? I'm just gonna change the smoke alarm. Yeah, that one. You have a light? Light?
Light.
Oops. Get my light from the phone. The brand new one that's due in 2030, as you can see. And I'm gonna test it. It works. Okay, sir. Good. Good for another 10 years.
Thank you very much. Finish.
Yeah. Okay. Take care. Hello. Fire protection. We go get another smoke alarm. Oh man, I'm on the 7th floor. Started on the 9th floor. Almost there, step by step, floor by floor. I'll be right there, sir. Just gotta get another smoke alarm. What's up, guys? It's your boy, back again. Still at work, doing my thing. So after 707 comes 708. Gotta test smoke alarms in every unit. Hello, fire protection. Here to test your smoke alarm. 708 and 709. Hi, it's gonna test this.
I was getting called at the same time by a man at Classic. The last one he gave me was 707 and it was 2030.
10-4. So what unit is this? What apartment? Oh, thank you. I'm blind now. 2022. All right. Thank you, miss. $708 is 2022.
708, 2022.
Hello, fire protection. Hi, so going to test your smoke alarm.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, just going to test your smoke alarm, all right? I think it should be somewhere here. Or here, okay.
Wait, Simon. Come here. It's okay, Simon.
Okay, miss, thank you. Okay, so 709 is good, 2022.
Clear.
Seven 11. Fire protection. Going to test your smoke alarms. Hi, it's going testing smoke alarms today. Thank you. This is 2022. Yeah, I heard the beep. Okay, miss. Thank you.
It's fine.
It's fine, yeah.
Thank you.
A 710 is good, 2022. Hello, fire protection. Nobody home, so I gotta get the key from that box over there in that cart. It's gonna be a long ass day and it's only 10 o'clock. I've only done 2 floors. You know? Anyway. Okay, I just got the key for 7-Eleven. I'm gonna open up, see what's in there. There's nobody home today. Hello, it's a fire protection. We're here to test your smoke alarm. Wow, there's a lot of pink. Jesus. That's a lot of pink, man. Okay, smoke. K711 is 2022 SA.
Roger.
Nice place though. Probably a lady lives there. She lives there. Okay. It's good, people. So I'm back again. I just finished lunch. It's about. You see my watch? No? Okay, that's the watch. That's the time. So I just gotta continue. I finished food. I ate like some jerk chicken, the leg part of the jerk chicken, and then I ate a sausage wrapped in bacon. When I'm saying like a sausage and bacon wrapped around it, I ate 2 of them. I'm full and I'm good to go. Let's go. Heading over to 401. You guys see? It's a dark hallway. I gotta go to 401. go. And kiss my ass. People open, I'm in. Hello, fire inspection. Testing your smoke alarm. Hi, it's gonna test your smoke alarm. It's alright. Okay, it's over here. Hi. Okay, it's good. Thank you. Hi. I'm gonna test your smoke alarm. Thank you.
Would stay out until 3 or 4 in the morning, go out clubbing, fall into bed and sleep until noon. But
You only have one, right? This one.
when we shifted, and Simon and I started thinking, well, maybe having kids is a good idea. I really love your frown.
I'm a full person though.
It did not take long at all for me to be pregnant.
To us.
Well, I am.
So now we can go walking. You know I like shopping. You know I like shopping.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, 401, 402. Now I gotta go to 403. Yeah, 403. It's pretty dark in here. And GoPros are not good with the darkness. Hello, fire protection. Fire protection. Gonna check your smoke alarm. Alright, gonna test your smoke alarm.
Okay.
Thank you. Here.
It's in the hallway.
Okay, thank you. Oh. Okay, so 2022. It's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Hello. Oh, hi. It's gonna test your smoke alarm. Okay, thank you.
Sorry,
Hey.
we just moved in today. Okay, isn't it?
Yeah, all right, cool. I just moved in today.
Yesterday, yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Hey, no, we working.
Okay,
No.
okay, it works. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe try and do
So right now we're just doing elevator recall. So every time there's a fire alarm, elevators have to drop to the first floor. Okay?
let's mark it down as elevator recall, didn't operate, further investigation.
Yep, elevator recall does not work in this building. So these guys are fucked if there's a fire. Because I'm pretty sure some of them is going to try to use the elevator if there's a
Come
fire.
back, Sam.
Alright, covered. Almost 2:30. So yeah, I had to come clear a ground fault on the 9th floor right there. So it's clear now, that heat detector. So I think it's time to go home. Right? It's dark hallways. GoPro has never been good with low light. So I always have to stand where there's light, you know? But anyway, today has been a very hectic day. I've been working hard, as you can see. I'm glad that I'm done, and tomorrow I have another inspection somewhere. I'm not too sure, but I'll let you guys know when I get there, okay? Yeah, but that is it right there. Heading over to the first floor.